Welcome to Health is Wealth. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into heart health. Join us as we explore the incredible benefits of fish for your heart. Let's uncover how omega-3s in fish can boost your cardiovascular system. Subscribe and hit the bell to stay informed. Let's begin. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that play a crucial role in maintaining cardiovascular health. They are found in high amounts in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Omega-3s have been extensively studied for their ability to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and regulate heart rhythm. Heart disease prevention. Numerous studies have shown that regular consumption of fish high in omega-3s is associated with a lower risk of heart disease. These fatty acids can help prevent the development of atherosclerosis, buildup of plaque in arteries, and reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Inflammation reduction. Chronic inflammation is a significant contributor to heart disease. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is beneficial for maintaining healthy blood vessels and preventing damage to arterial walls. Blood pressure regulation. Omega-3s have vasodilatory effects, meaning they help blood vessels relax and widen. This leads to improved blood flow and can help lower blood pressure, reducing strain on the heart and lowering the risk of hypertension-related heart problems. Triglyceride management. High levels of triglycerides are linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Omega-3s can lower triglyceride levels, particularly in individuals with high triglyceride levels, contributing to better heart health. Arrhythmia prevention. Omega-3s help regulate the electrical signals in the heart, reducing the risk of irregular heart rhythms, arrhythmias, that can lead to dangerous heart conditions like atrial fibrillation. Improved blood vessel function. Omega-3s promote the production of nitric oxide, a compound that helps blood vessels dilate and relax. This improves blood flow and reduces the risk of clot formation, helping to prevent heart attacks and strokes. Cholesterol balance. Omega-3s can increase levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol, often referred to as good cholesterol. Additionally, they can lower levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol. Maintaining a healthy balance between these cholesterol types is crucial for heart health. Endothelial health. The endothelium is the inner lining of blood vessels. Omega-3s contribute to maintaining its integrity, which is important for preventing the development of atherosclerosis and maintaining proper blood vessel function. Recommended intake. Health organizations like the American Heart Association recommend consuming at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to ensure an adequate intake of omega-3 fatty acids. This intake level has been associated with reduced cardiovascular risk. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart. Share your thoughts below and keep the conversation going. Like and share for more science-backed insights. Stay tuned for our next video. And keep taking those small steps toward a healthier you.